Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I've created a beautiful purple glitter look for my girl Asha Sharron. Of course, I represented the purple for Lupus. I hope you enjoy this look. So for the look, I'll be using the Morphe 35p palette, and I'll be taking this beautiful purple shade and placing it in my transition area. On top of the shadow that I just laid, I'm going to place a darker purple. MAC's Melon Pigment is one of my favorite brow bone highlights to use. I would highly recommend this one. I'm using a black shadow to deepen up the outer V. LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain is a great way to make your eyeshadows pop, and it's very inexpensive. And I'm so sorry, lovelies, I didn't realize my camera was not recording, so I couldn't show you the color that I placed on top of the concealer, but it's actually that beautiful purple pinky shadow. One of my favorite liquid liners to use, it's by NYC. This again is another product that I recommend. To give the glitter something to stick to, I'm going to lay the Sephora Glitterguard eyeshadow primer to my lid. Now let's get these eyes poppin'. I'm going to be using SuperGlitters Purple Moon. Oh my gosh, this glitter is so pretty. I'll be applying my lashes off camera. I'll be placing the darker purple shadow on my lower lash line. And I'll be back with the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look in honor of Ashley. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies, and I'll see you soon. Bye!